ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವಿಧಿಸಬಹುದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೆ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ವಿಧಿಸಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಕೃಷಿ ಮೂಲಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಜನರ ಮೇಲೆ ವಿಧಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಕೃಷಿ ಮೂಲಸೌಕರ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ಮೂಲಕವಾಗಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ದರವನ್ನ ಏರಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಮಾಡಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದರ ಪ್ರತಿ ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ 2.5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮತ್ತು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ದರ ಪ್ರತಿ ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ಇದರಿಂದಾಗಿ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತಷ್ಟು ಹೊರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ದರಗಳು ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದರ ಪ್ರತಿ ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ 90 ರೂಪಾಯಿನ ಆಸುಪಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ದರ ಮತ್ತೆ 2.5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಮತ್ತು ಡೀಸೆಲ್ ದರವು ಕೂಡ 4 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಏರಿಕೆ ಆಗೋದ್ರಿಂದ
Hello, sir. Hello. Hello, sir. Hello. Hello.
ये सारा टैक्स इनकम टैक्स कटाना ना 70,000 हम कटाएंगे और टोटल अरेस्ट होना
हाँ हाँ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಅದು
ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ ಈಗ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ನಾವು
ಅದೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಸರ್ ನಾವು
ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಅರೇಸ್ಟ್
ಅರೆ 70,000 ನೀವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ
ಅರೆ 70,000 ಅರಿಯಸ್ ಬರತಾರೆ ಈ ಬೇರೆ ತಿಂಗಳಾಗ ಪೂರ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು
ಮತ್ತೆ 50,000 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿ ನಾವು
ನೀವು 50,000 ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಆ 70,000 ಜಾಗ ಇದೆ ಸರಿಗೆ ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ
ಅದನ್ನು ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗಿನ ಕಟ್ಟಾಗಿ
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಮಾತುಗಳು ಒಲಿಸು
ಒಲಿಸು ಇದು
20,000 ಈಗ ಮುಂದಿನ ತಿಂಗಳ 10 ತಿಂಗಳ ಕೊಡ್ತೇವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು
ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು
ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ
Chetan, may I audible? Chetan, may I audible? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, fine.
ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನಮ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ವಿಡಿಯೋ? For excellence in academic research.
ನೀವು ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಥ್ರೂ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
ಈಗ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೋವೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಅಂತ
We can't share the video start now.
ಹಲೋ ಸರ್, ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜವಾಬ್ದಾರಿ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ಬೇಡ, ಸೈಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. Shall we start? Shall we start?
Good afternoon to one and all. It's my honor to welcome you all. I am Lavanya, faculty from Department of Computer Science. Will be your host for today's webinar, E-Resources for Excellence in Academics and Research. As we all know, from the past 1 year, we are not able to engage our classes physically and not able to attend the seminars, conferences, and orientation programs. E-resources have a prominent role in supporting higher education and is fulfilling educational objectives. E-resources are rich source of information for those students who want extra learning materials in addition to their classroom activities. We started all our academic and research activities through virtual platform. So I hope all the participants of today's webinar will utilize this wonderful opportunity. Any work well begun is completed well. So now I request Shweta of First BCA to seek blessings of the God through invocation song.
ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ, ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ, ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ, ವಿನಾಯಕ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾಯಕ ದೇವ, ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು ವಿನಾಯಕ. ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ, ಪಾಶಾಂಕುಶಧರ ಮೂಷಿಕ ವಾಹನ, ಸರ್ಪಾಲಂಕೃತನೇ ಗಜಾನನ, ಸರ್ಪಾಲಂಕೃತನೇ ಗಜಾನನ. ಆದಿಪೂಜಿತ ನೀನು ವೇದವಂದಿತ ನೀನು, ಆದಿಪೂಜಿತ ನೀನು ವೇದವಂದಿತ ನೀನು, ಮೋದಕ ಪ್ರಿಯ ನೀನು ಗಣಾಧಿಪ, ಶರಣು ನಿನಗೆ ಶರಣು.
Thank you, Shweta. Now I request Meenakshi T, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, to welcome the gatherings.
Thank you, Lavanya. Good afternoon, one and all. Good afternoon, one and all. I'm Meenakshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science. It's my great privilege to start this wonderful occasion by welcoming you all for E-Sources for Excellence in Academic and Research of this national level seminar combinedly organized by Library and Information Center with the Department of Computer Science, GFGC Vijayanagar. Practice makes a man perfect. The learning process starts since the day we step into the school. We used to learn everything physically, like a physical classroom, physical library, and physical exams, and physical activities in the orientations, refresher courses, FDP, seminars, everything. But uh, uh, all of a sudden, the pandemic changes everything, and we started learning through a virtual platform. And it's a great challenge for us, but we started adopt all e-resources um, very quickly. So this is the motivation to organize this national level webinar. So this is my, so I wholeheartedly welcome our honorable chief guest, Mr. Mahesh, our librarian, nodal officer of library and Moocs at the Directorate of Collegiate Education, Bangalore, who is going to introduce the various resources are used in academics and research. A warm welcome to you, sir. I welcome our beloved dynamic principal, Dr. B. Chandrasekhar, sir, who is the backbone of this seminar. Uh, a warm welcome to you, sir. And also, I welcome our enthusiastic IQAC coordinator, Dr. Shubha ma'am, HOD, Department of Botany, who is the motivator of this webinar. A warm welcome to you, madam. I welcome all my participant friends from the various states. I very warm welcome to you all. Once again, I welcome you all, and I request all of you stay and utilize this seminar in a great way. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Meenakshi ma'am. Now I request Parimala MP, librarian, to introduce today's chief guest, Mr. Nagesh R, Nodal Officer for Library and Moocs at DCE. Over to you, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Respected principal, faculty members, and all participants. It's a great privilege for me to introduce today's resource person, Professor Nagesh R, Nodal Officer. In this session, he will be sharing with us very useful information on the topic e-resources for excellence in academic and research. Today's speaker, Professor Nagesh R, is a nodal officer for Library and Moocs at Department of Collegiate Education and librarian in Government First Grade College, Dodbalapur, Bangalore. He holds a master's degree in Library and Information Science from the Bangalore University and MPhil degree holder, and also a post-graduation diploma in computer applications from the National Institute of Information Technology, Bangalore. He also holds a certificate in career counseling and guidance from the Martin Luther Christian University, which is in Shillong, Meghalaya. He has got UGC NET in his credit. He has wide-ranging experience in knowledge management in educational institutions, scientific industries, corporate companies, and research organizations. Nagesh's motivation to be a professional is to make the correct information available in the right time in the appropriate package. In the year 2013, he got Occasional Excellence Award from the Bangalore Rotary Club for his outstanding contribution to career counseling and guidance. He also got Best Teacher Awards from the Government First Grade College, Dodbalpur, for his outstanding contribution in the academic activities and NAC process in 2018 and 19 academic year. He is authored for 3 books such as Handbook of Career Information in Indian Context, both in English and Kannada, and worked as a chief editor for National Conference Proceedings. He participated as a resource person in live panel discussion in Udaya TV on 4th and 5th July 2015 based on the topic number 1, after SLC and PUC, what next. Another one, IAS, KAS, and banking examinations. He has published many research articles in national and international journals. He has delivered over 100 special lectures on career counseling and library resources. At present, he is pursuing his PhD in library and information science from the University of Mysore. With this brief introduction, I request Professor Nagesh to deliver lecture on today's topics. Thank you. Over to you, sir.
Good afternoon, one and all. May I audible?
Yes,
May I
sir.
audible?
Yes, sir.
May I audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you for your nice introduction, ma'am. And thank you for giving this great opportunity to participate as resource person in one-day national level webinar on e-resources for excellence in academic and research. As you know that from last 10 months, we all are experienced with e-content, e-resources, and online classes. And you all are handling online classes in your college. That gave us a lot of experience in handling e-content, e-resources, and conducting online classes. In today's webinar, I'm mainly focusing on e-resources which are available in different platforms and also in different forms. As you know that if content is available in digital format or electronic format, we call it as e-resources. So I would like to share the PPT on e-resources for excellence in academic and research. As you know that as per our academic syllabus, we have gone through the many books in printed form, like in physics, chemistry, economics, political science. There are many publishers in local level. As you know that there are many publishers in local level like Himalaya Publishing House, Swapna Book House, Kalyani Publishers, Sultan Chand, like that, McGraw-Hill, like that. So these are the publishers who are publishing the content in physical format, that means in book format. But when we think about the e-content, the e-resources, that means the content is available in digital format. There are many publishers at national and international level. Mainly, the publishers for e-content are Digital Information, Springer, Elsewhere, JSTOR, Emerland, Ebooks, Sage Publishing, Wiley Backwell, Cambridge University Press, Taylor and Francis, Macmillan. These are the leading publishers who publish the content in digital format, that means in electronic format. So these publishers are publishing the content in various subjects: science, arts, commerce, engineering, technical, management, and other subjects. And the mainly today's session, see e-resources. As you know that today we are touching with all ICT tools. You look at your in college, your students, and even your children at home. We all are part of this ICT technology, information and communication technology. This made our teaching and learning activities very flexible and also easy in dissemination of informations. Even though we are spread across different geographical area, through these ICT tools and applications, we all are coming together and standing in, sitting in single platform and sharing our views and sharing our knowledge and teaching various aspects of the curriculum. So that is possible, these developments of information and communication technology. In this scenario, higher education also giving a lot of importance for teaching, learning, and also research activities. As you know that higher education is meant for teaching, learning activities along with research activities, because higher education is totally the given equal importance for teaching as well as research. So in higher education today is changing from campus-based education to the application of ICT, application of IT information with the invention of www, World Wide Web, because campus-based education to online-based education. People are already experienced with conducting online classes. With this context, each and every aspect of human society has been affected by information technology and given a lot of opportunities and challenges to learn the many things in this scenario of development of ICT. E-resources have facilitated the fastest access in the process of teaching, learning, and research. And so e-resource, as I said, if content is available in digital format, that is called digital information or electronic information or e-resources. And this kind of e-resources available in various forms like journals, e-journals, e-books, e-theses, e-dissertations, e-newspapers, and e-reference materials, and with other sources in different form. And futures of e-resources, it can be downloaded instantly. So wherever you're standing or you're sitting off campus or on campus or at your home, you can easily download the content. Read anytime. See, it is available in 24/7. Whenever you want, you can download or you can access or you can read the electronic information or e-content information. It can be taken anywhere on portable computer. See here, I'm sitting in different place, and you people are accessing this platform in different places, and we all are coming together and sharing our views. It provides facility to hold and turn pages easily. When you talk about the physical book, a physical form of book, if that book has 800 pages, you need to see the content, you have to see the chapter and page number, then you have to go to the particular page of the content in the particular book. But when it comes to e-content, even if it contains lakhs together pages or lakhs together the chapters or data, so we can easily we can go to the particular page or we can go to the particular point of the chapter. In that e-content facility has that kind of great opportunities to reach the content in a particular way. Physically disabled users can also hear audible e-resources. Nowadays, many universities or research institutions are given importance for to access the content by physical and physically disabled students. That kind of ICT tools or technology is now available. You just open the ebook. Instead of reading the book from your side, just there is a Kindle, just you plug in and the content is audible to you. There is a software, there is a devices that you don't need to read the content, or that software itself will read the content by word by word like that. So that kind of opportunities we have with the development of information and communication technology. And some e-resources are interactive e-resources, have background musics and animations. I think you have gone through some classes like Byju's classes, some Moocs classes, YM classes, and this kind of e-content has the multidimensional features. Like when you are reading some content, there is animations, there is a cartoons, there is a pie charts, the flip chart, like that. So interactive background music will be there. And some, it's like, it gives attraction to the audience or readers. It enhances the reading ability. It enhances the reading attitude also. So this kind of features we can see the development of ICT. And some e-resources are interactive, and e-resources do not require bindery and repair. See, when you have physical book, sometimes by using many times it gets damaged. So we need to bind it again and we need to preserve it if that book is very precious like that. But when it comes to digital books or e-content books, you don't get damaged because it's stored in it is stored in the cloud or it is stored in server. So it will be you can use many times, and that same content will be available as it is. You don't get damaged. So now, these are the features of e-resources. As I said, the e-resources are available in different form like journals, databases, e-books, gateways and search engines, newspapers, CD-ROMs, and databases. Nowadays, there are many databases are available in education system and also in the research activities, so we can access the content. So one of the important database. So now, as I said, the resources are available in different form. One is e-journals, because many institutions are subscribing the journals. Here, I will tell you that if you want to subscribe particular journal in particular subject, at least you need to spend minimum 4,000 to 5,000 per year. If you want to subscribe Indian Journal of Electronic Media, is journal name. If you want to subscribe it, you need to pay 6,000 to 7,000 rupees per one journal. But there is a platform called Enlist. I think your college is subscribing the Enlist, and you all know about, and you all got the user IDs and passwords. See, some of the articles available as full text, some of the articles available as partially, and some of the articles only gives abstract information. But in Enlist, this is National Library and Information Services Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. This is the great initiative by InfluBNet Information Library Network, sponsored by UGC, and it's initiated by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development, under NME of ICT. So this Enlist is a database. It provides ebooks and e-journals. It has 6,000 journals. It includes all the subjects and also 31 lakh ebooks. This database is available in your college. I think you got user IDs and password, because UGC and MHRD at backend, it is spending crores together to subscribe 6,000 journals and 31 lakh ebooks. But you are getting this kind of large scale of data only for 5,900 rupees, because nominal fee is charging by the InfluBNet. Just 5,900 rupees, you are getting 6,000 journals and 31 lakh ebooks. But UGC is spending crores together for this project. You all have got user ID and password through your librarian in your college. Now I will show you how to access data in Enlist. I will share the screen. So go to Google, just type Enlist. By typing Enlist, the first search itself will get the Enlist home page. So this is home page of this National Library and Information Service Infrastructure for Scholarly Content. So as I told that, e-resource plays very important role in academic and research growth of every faculty in higher education system. So here you can click on members login. Click on login. So it will ask user ID and password. Just type user ID and password, what you got from your library. Before logging, after logging, just go to search button. So here you can see the search button here. Search ebooks and e-journals. You can type any keyword related to your subject. You will find many books. You can download entire book. So without any paying even single rupee through your college user ID and password. So this user ID and password is generated individually. I hope all the faculties got your individual user IDs and password of Enlist to access the data in this database. So here I will type just physics. So in physics, there are 9,415 ebooks are available in this database. So you can go one by one. If it is related, just click on that books. Even Indian authors books also available in all the subjects. So here, physics published in 2016, just I click on it. Here you can see the bibliographical information of that book. That means author name, format, language, publisher name, and everything. Just online access, just click to view. So now I will log into this database. Okay, the entire book is showing now to download. So trends in science, physics. Here you can download the entire book, download book, or if you want to download chapter wise, just go to download PDF chapter. So before downloading, you can go through the content, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, like that. So here, introduction, and only 2 chapters available in this book. Page number 1 to 256. There are 256 pages in this book. So you can download the entire book. Introduction. So now you click on download PDF. So now it's ready for download. The PDF is ready for download. Just click on download. The entire book will be downloaded for you. So you can create some folders in your desktop or your laptops. You can save it by subject wise or as per your requirements. See, now entire book is downloaded. Is it visible, ma'am? Is it visible, dear participants?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see. So I'll click on, because introduction has only 1 page, I'll click on second chapter. So this second chapter has 256 pages. You can see the entire book. And wherever want, we can save this book. There are so many Indian authors books also available in this database. I will show you. So it's getting downloading. See, if you want, you can download or you can take printout. This option is available in this database. So as I said, 31 lakh ebooks are available in this platform. In physics itself, more than 9,000 books are available. It's getting downloading. It takes time. It depends on the speed of internet, but it will download the entire book. Again, I will go back and I will type some other books in different subject. So now I showed how to search books in physics subject. So now I will show you some in other subject. Suppose I'll type on macroeconomics. See, macroeconomics, there are 152 books. Macro, markets, creating institutions for managing society largest economic risks. Introductory economics, micro and macro textbook for class 12. So economics, you can type, even you can search by author also. If you know the Indian authors, you can type the authors also. It will come by searching. Dynamics of and balance of payments, like this. If you click on capacity of welfare regimes of ether, if you click on it, so you can see the content of that book, and you can download the entire book by clicking on download book, or you can go through the chapter wise. You can download the chapter wise. So this kind of facility is available in Enlist. So through your user IDs and password, you can log in and you can download as many as possible and save it to in your desktop or your laptop, and it will be useful for your teaching, learning, and research activities. So this is the way of searching ebooks in Enlist. And now I will show you how to search articles in this database. Just get into login. And I will show you what are all the databases are available for journals and ebooks. So here, e-journals, full text journals and ebooks publishers are databases. Cambridge Book Online, e-library, Ebasco Hostnest Library. So these are the platforms we can get the ebooks. We can search by platform wise also, or you can search, as I said, just in search engine, type whatever the keyword in your subject. So it will extract from the database. E-journals, American Institute of Physics, annual reviews, Economic and Political Weekly. See, this is Economic and Political Weekly. If you want to subscribe this journal for a year, you need to pay minimum 4,000 to 5,000 rupees for one journal. But in this platform, there are 16 e-journals are available. So if you calculate in that way, you need to spend crore together to subscribe this database. But just you are paying just 5,900 rupees. For 5,900 rupees, you are getting this much of large data. So if you click on Indian journals, so it will go to indianjournals.com. Here you can search by subject wise, subjects. So here all subjects are organized by alphabetical wise: agriculture, applied science, technology, biology, botany, business, economics and management, chemistry. If you click on chemistry, so in chemistry, there are 4 journals: Asian Journal of Research in Chemistry, the Bulletin of Pure and Applied Science, Journal of Biofuels, then the medicinal plants like this. For each and every subject, you will find the n number of journals. So if you click on physics or social science, if you click on social sciences, there are 55 e-journals are available. So here you can go by title wise: the Asian Journal of the Multidimensional Research, Indian Journal of Geontology, Indian Journal of Economics and Development. You click on Indian Journal of Economics and Development. So here you can see current issue and archive. Archive means all previous issues are stored in archives. You click on current issue. So you can see here are the current issue of Indian Journal of Economics and Development. So empowering farmers through future price information, a case study of price forecasting of brinjal in eastern Uttar Pradesh. If you want to read this article, just you click on the title of that article. You can see the abstract. You can read the abstract. If your article is usable to you, just click on PDF. The entire article will be downloaded. So like this, you can download ebooks and e-journals in Enlist. So entire article is downloaded. So you can say wherever you want for further reading. So like this. So like this Enlist provides e-content for in ebooks and e-journals. Just go back. So now in Enlist, we have gone through how to search ebooks and e-journals. So now I will show you other different databases where you can get e-resources. So one more database for e-content is EPG Pathashala. This is again the project by InfluBnet Information Library Network, initiated by MHRD, Government of India. So it gives e-content for 77 subjects at post-graduation level. Even UG students can also access this information. This EPG Pathashala is open access. For accessing Enlist, you need to have user ID and password. Your college has already got subscription of Enlist. So through using user ID and password, you can download the ebooks and e-journals in Enlist. But when it comes to EPG Pathshala, it is open access. So you don't need to have username and password. Just go to Google, just type EPG Pathshala. Under EPG Pathshala, this is the home page of EPG Pathshala. Just click on Student Corner. See what this Implement has done. They have collected the syllabus copy of all PG programs from all Indian universities in India. And they have identified the common syllabus in all PG courses. And based on that common syllabus, they have identified 77 subjects at post-graduation level. And each subject, they have identified the core papers, like MCom in commerce, what are the core papers, MA in political science core papers, MA in physics core papers, like that. In each subject, they have identified the core papers. In that core papers, they have identified the modules. The module is nothing but we can say that chapters. So here I will show you in commerce, there are 469 modules are available. As I said, module is nothing but chapters. If you click on commerce, so there are many subjects. I will go back again and I'll show you all 77 subjects. So you can see the 77 subjects which are available in EPG Pathshala. Commerce, criminology, English, economics, computer science, Chinese, Buddhist studies, biophysics, architecture, bioinformatics, botany, history, library and information science. And you can also see the number of modules in that particular subject. So I will tell you that, see, almost all the PG students, if they go through this EPG Pathshala, they will get 100% e-content for their MCom syllabus or MSc or physics, chemistry, whatever it may be. If economic student or political science student or history students or communications to mass communication student or mathematics students at post-graduation level, they will get 100% e-content as per the syllabus in this database, and it is open access. And it has a lot of features because this is more interactive content also available in this database. We just go to commerce. There are 469 modules in that commerce. So as I said, in each subject, there are core papers. So in this subject, commerce, there are 16 core papers are available. So here I will choose financial or marketing management. So in marketing management, there are 37 modules are available. In international business, there are 35 modules are available. So these are the core papers in commerce: management concept and organizational behavior, managerial economics, accounting theory and practice, business environment, accounting for managerial decisions, marketing management, like that. Here I will choose accounting theory and practice. In accounting theory and practice, there are 35 modules. So you can see the modules in accounting theory and practice. So these are the modules in accounting theory and practice. You can click any one of the module. So accounting theory, nature and scope. So when you click on accounting module and theory, so you can see the e-content. So automatically it's coming the download. You can click on OK. So now the accounting theory, nature and scope, the content is getting downloaded. So you can download wherever you want. So this is the content of that particular module. And you can see it's getting downloading. So when you click on particular module, you can see 3 menus. One is e-text, learn more, self-learning. If you click on self-learning, you will get the video of that accounting theory, nature and scope with all interactive animations and charts, PPT presentations and everything. You can see this content. For each and every module of any subject, you will find the videos. So students can get into this database and they can learn. You can see the team who involved in developing this content. principal investigator, co-principal investigator, technical coordinator, and paper coordinator, content writer. In every module, you can see this kind of the content development team. So this video is around the 32 minutes duration video. And this is the syllabus, learning outcomes, introduction. This is only for one module. There is also people for this module. So you can see like so this is video about accounting theory, nature and scope. And for every module, there is video clipping. So I'll go back again and I'll click on some other subject. So just we have gone through how to search content in commerce. Now I'll click on some other subjects, say chemistry. In chemistry, there are 565 modules are available and number of core papers in chemistry, 16. So now I click on organic chemistry. Under organic chemistry, there are 35 modules. So now I'll click on hyper conjugations. So text, data. See, this one you can download it. You can see the content development team. For each and every module, there is content in PDF format. So you can download it and you can save it wherever you want. And if you want same self-learning menu, you can click on self-learning menu. So you can click on video. So like this is about around 25 minutes duration video. Just I'm dragging. So like this, you can search the content in your subjects. As I said, there are 77 subjects are available at post-graduation level. Even UG students can also use this database for accessing the e-content. And even for faculties, you can go through this database and you can search the data as per your syllabus. And it covers maximum syllabus at post-graduation level. As I said, this is again the great initiative by MHRD, Ministry of Human Resource Development. So now we have gone through the N-list. In N-list, I showed how to download ebooks and how to download articles from different journals and from different subjects. Again, we have gone through the EPG Pathashala. This is open access. N-list is not open access, but your college has got subscription of N-list. So through that user ID and password, you can download the ebooks and e-journals. But EPG Pathashala is open access. You can just go to Google and type EPG Pathashala. Through EPG Pathashala, as per your subject requirement, you can download the books and even, as I said, videos. For each and every module, there is a video, so you can download it. So now I will show you some other databases. I think you all know about Shodh Ganga. Shodh Ganga is a repository of Indian thesis. There is MOU from universities and InflibNet. InflibNet is an autonomous body and which is taking care of all e-resources for Shod Ganga, e-Shod Sindhu, and Enlist, all those things. So in this Shod Ganga, you can see the number of universities, top 10 universities contributing in producing PhD thesis, and show all universities. So you can search the thesis by university wise or even subject wise. So at present, Shod Ganga as 2,94,662 full text theses are available in these databases. It is a repository of, as I said, it is a repository of theses which are submitted to the universities in India. And number of synopses and number of universities are contributing to their thesis to this InflibNet. There are 476 universities are contributing. As you know that when you are submitting thesis to your university, you're also submitting the soft copy in CD-ROM. So that CD-ROM will be sent to the InflibNet through that university. So that's what the universities are collecting CDs along with your thesis while submission your thesis. So that thesis will be sent to the InflibNet, and before sending that CD to the university to InflibNet, in university itself, I think you know about plagiarism. That plagiarism, they will check the percentage of the content is copied from different sources. It will check the similarity. So now most of the universities in India are using Urkund. It is one of the plagiarism software to check the similarity. You can say that copy the content from other different sources. So Urkund is one of the database the universities are using to check the similarity content in your thesis. So there are 476 universities are contributing this thesis to the InflibNet, and universities signed MOU, and number of universities signed MOU with InflibNet, that is 569. So you can download any thesis in the Shod Ganga. Just I will click on Bangalore University, just Control F, type Bangalore. So Bangalore University. So far Bangalore University contributed 1,378 theses to the InflibNet. There will be the more number of theses, but so far the number of theses published in this Shod Ganga is for in Bangalore University, that is 1,378. So when you click on Bangalore University, you can see the department wise. So Center for Applied Genetics, 10 theses are published. Center for Kannada Studies, 6. Department of Apparel Technology and Management, 1. Like this, you can see the department wise contribution of the thesis in Shod Ganga. And Department of Commerce 23, Department of Economics 99, Department of Education 19. You can see all the departments with the number of theses published in the Shod Ganga. So like this. So you can go through subject also, you can go through the university wise also. Now I click on Department of English. So there are 43 theses submitted to the Department of English, and that is published in Shod Ganga. So click on Department of Physics. It will show the title of the thesis, author of the researcher of the thesis, and guide of the research. So these are the theses in the Department of English from Bangalore University. So if you click on particular thesis, you can download the entire thesis. So you can download chapter by chapter also. Title, declaration, certificate, preface, contents, chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, bibliography. So you can download the chapter wise of this thesis. So like this, in these databases, as I said, close to 3 lakh theses are available from all the Indian universities. It is the Indian database of e-thesis, that is called Shod Ganga. So if you want to know that, say Department of English in USA or UK or some in other country, if you want to know in other countries, in your subject, in what are all the subject the research took place, if you go to NDLTD. So this is Shodh Ganga, anyone can access, username and password is not required. Just you can go to Google and type Shodh Ganga. So you can see the thesis in your subjects. So this is collection of thesis of Indian universities. If you want to know the research took place in a particular subject in other countries, just type NDLTD. NDLTD. So this is international database. It is a repository of thesis and dissertation, network digital library of thesis and dissertations. So in this database, you can see the research conducted in various subjects in other countries. If you want to know in your subject what kind of research is done, so just if you go to NDLTD, you can see that at international level, that means in different countries, the research conducted in that subject. So you can search through this NDLTD. Again, for this is also open access, so user ID and password is not required. Shodh Ganga is a national level repository of research thesis, and NDLTD, it is international level repository of research dissertations and thesis. So we have gone through the InfluBnet, EPG Pathashala, and Shodh Ganga, NDLTD. So now I will show you Google Books. This is again open access, so anyone can access this database. Just go to Google, type Google Books. Under Google Books, type any keyword related to your subject. So I will type social development. Just click on social development in Google Books. You will find many books. So you can see them, social development, key to the great society. Like this, you will find many books related to social development. You can see n number of books. So social entrepreneurship and enterprises in economics. Just you click on this book. See, you can see the content. Entire book is getting visual, but one of the disadvantage of Google Books is that you can read, but you can't download it. So this is about social development content. So Google Book is one of the good database. You can access the ebooks in this database, but you can read it, but you can't download it. I think reading is the great the futures of e-content. See, you can see a particular book chapter in that book. Even Indian author books also available in this database. I will go back. So I will show you some Indian books. Say Indian economics. So Bimal Jalan, Indian Economy. It was published in 2004. So whole book is available to read. Indian Economy, Problems and Prospects. Revised edition. And these are the chapters in that book. So you can click on chapter wise also. That option is available. As I said, it is very flexible. You can directly go to the particular chapter. See, there is an introduction about that book. So you can go one by one. As I said, you can read the content, but you can't download it. So entire book is available for read. Again, this is open access. So you no need to register or you no need to pay. Just go to Google, type Google Books and type the keywords of your subject. If you type Indian banks also, it will give If you type socioeconomic development of farmers, you'll get the books. If you get Java, C++, you'll get n number of books. E-commerce, e-banking, whatever it may be, and whatever subject, you will find many books. So you can go one by one, or you can go chapter wise also. So this is Google Books. So we have gone through Enlist, EPG Patashala, Shodh Ganga, NDLTD. So now I will show you Google Scholar. This is a database for scholarly content. You can see the journal articles in Google Scholar. It is also citation database. Google Scholar is also open access. So anybody can log into this Google Scholar without user ID and password. Just go to Google Scholar and type any article, say socio-economic status of Indian farmers. So you'll find many articles on this. Organic farming status issue and prospects, socio-economic and environmental impacts of organic cotton production and livelihood of smallholder farmers in Odisha, India. So like this. See, status, challenges and strategies for farm mechanization in India. Just you click on it, the entire article is available to read. Just click on it and you can, article is downloaded. This is the article related to what you search. So entire article is downloaded. So in this database, some of the articles are available as full text articles, and some of the articles we can have the bibliographical information. So wherever you can see the PDF, this article can be downloaded. And these are the articles, you can't download it. So you can get the bibliographical information of that particular article. So here, state of India's farmers. So this is, you can't download it because this, but this can be downloaded in Enlist. But Google Scholar, whatever the content you need for your teaching, learning, and research, definitely you will get from the Google Scholar. So this is the advantage in Google Scholar. You can download n number of articles in Google Scholar. The agriculture research for resourceful farmers in the form of first and last module. So entire article is you can download. And some of the majority articles have DOI, digital object identifier. So and I will show you. So without paying, how to download the article. If you click on some article here. So this is article from Elsewhere publication. So you can see as I said, DOI. So most of the articles at national and international level has DOI. DOI is nothing but digital object identifier. If you have this DOI, the entire article can be downloaded. So here you can't download this article because this is paid journal. But having this DOI, so I will show you how to download the entire article. Just you copy this DOI. Go back. Go back again. Just type here SciUp. This is one of the database where you can crack the articles. Just click on SciUp. So you can see removing barriers in the way of science. So if you want to download that articles from Sage publication, you need to pay minimum $35 to $40. It's in Indian rupees around, it is 4,000 to 5,000 rupees. So now without spending 4,000 to 5,000 rupees, I will show you how to download this article in SciUp. Just I copied DOI from that particular publisher elsewhere. I copied that DOI in SciUp. Just click on open. See, the article is getting downloading. See, most of the articles at international level are from Sage publication and elsewhere, and all these esteemed journals or publishers have DOI, digital object identifier. Just copy that DOI and go to SciUp and paste that in the searching option. Just click on open. The entire article will be available for you for reading. So you can download this article and you can save wherever you want. So like this. And make your own database in your laptop or in your desktop. In my article, I have downloaded more than 3,000 to 4,000 articles related to my subject library and information science. So wherever I'm writing articles, I will go through that particular database and I will extract the articles and I will read it and go for the further study like this. So this is the advantage. Just I will show you. To buy any article from Sage or elsewhere, you need to pay minimum like $35 to $40, but through SciUp, so entire article will be downloaded. Some ICT in education, information and communication technology in education, Google Scholar. So ICT in education, this entire article is available as open access. You can download the entire article. Or teaching learning activities like that. See, this article is downloaded. There are 34 pages. Like this. So books also available in Google Scholar. Just go to you. So here I will directly go to some elsewhere publications. I will show you to buy one article in elsewhere or Sage publication, how much you need to pay. Just I'll go to elsewhere journals. So here I can choose any journal, say biomaterials. Like in searching, you can see the articles with the DOI. Just copy the DOI and just paste it in SciUp. You will get the entire article. So this is the article. This is the open access. So here open access means you can download it. So this article is not available as open access. You can't download it, but just click on this article. I'll show you how to download it using SciUp. See, abstract is coming, introduction is coming. So entire article is coming here. Not fully, only partial. As I said, some of the databases gives partial content to download, and some databases full text and some databases only abstract. So again, DOI, you can see the DOI. Just to copy this DOI and go to SciUp and paste that DOI URL and enter article will be downloaded. So this is about Google Scholar, and I showed how to download the articles which are paid articles or paid journals or paid publishers. So using SciUp, you can download any article from any publisher for without paying single rupee. Because most of the publishers have assigned DOI for all the articles in their publications. So now we have gone through Enlist, EPG Pathshala, Shodh Ganga, Google Books, and Google Books. There is one more advantage, because in your CAS, as per 2018 UGC regulations for CAS promotion of university and college teachers. There is like your even the NAC also accreditation. What is your institutional H index and what is your citations? All those things. See, you are publishing many articles, but what is your H index? What is your I-10 index? And what is your number of citations you have received? So here I will show you. Just if you click on, see, if you have a Gmail account, you can register with the Google Scholar. Automatically, it will extract all your articles wherever you are published. Because this, I think this is very, very important. I think you need to start registering in Google Scholar. Because if the quality of author or quality of the teacher at international level, it is measured through that particular faculties or authors number of citations and number of H index and number of I-10 index. See here, if you click on Nagesh Har, see here you can see the number of citations received and H index and I-10 index. So for like that, wherever you are publishing in your articles in different platforms, so just you go to Google Scholar and just register yourself with your Gmail account. Automatically, that Google Scholar will extract all your articles from different platforms, and it will show you how many articles you have published in your subject, and what is the number of citations you have received for your articles, and what is the H index of your articles, and I-10 index. I-10 index is that means the minimum the particular article should be cited 10 times. So this is the status and problems of library automation in government first aid colleges of Hassan district, Karnataka. This article is cited the more than 10 times. So that is why this the I-10 index is 1. So like this, a number of citations 15. That means whatever articles you have published, if somebody is going to refer your articles, and they're going to give acknowledgement to your articles, because they have in their articles, they have quoted your article, your name and your articles. So that's what that means, it's number of citations. So this is also the quality of the particular author and particular faculty, shows that how many articles he has published and how many citations he has received for his publications, and what is H index and I-10 index, like that. So if you have Gmail account, just go to Google Scholar and register yourself. And if you publish like 20 or 30 articles, automatically it will extract from the various databases, and it will show you this is the articles we have published, and this is the H index of your articles, and this is the I-10 index of your articles, and the number of citations of your articles. So this is open access. As I said, Google Scholar is open access. If next time you in NAC accreditation, there is a question that what is your institutional H index? If there are 30 faculties in your college, and each faculty has got Google Scholar account and number of articles published and H index, I-10 index, the total number of citations divided by number of faculties, and total H index divided by number of faculties, and that will be the H index of your institution. It is there in NAC accreditation. So all of you please register in Google Scholar, so you can in single platform you can know that how many articles you have published and the number of citations you have received. All those things you can get it in Google Scholar. So this is the advantages of Google Scholar. We can get both e-resources as well as also the metrics of your publications. That means your number of citations and H index and I-10 index. So now I will show you some of the reports where you can get the reports. So Indians, if you go to Indian census, so as you know that once in a 10 years the census takes place in India, and lakhs together reports are generated in this census. Go to Census of India website. If like social science students or whatever it may be, we know that once in a 10 years it takes place, but we never try to gone through the reports of that census. It may be demographic information, or it may be a gender statistics, or it may be educational statistics, or it may be farmer statistics, or it may be industrialist statistics. Like if you take any particular village, so in that village, how many households are there? So how many farmers are there? How many particular the caste-wise people are there. So everything can be you can get the reports in this census of Indian website. It is also open access. Anybody can access it. Just go to the Census of India in Google, and it will show all the population projections and data on migrations and all this. Census Digital Library. Just click on Census Digital Library. Means all the reports are for that 2011 census are stored in this digital library. So you can click on any particular way. So you can see the digital library makes available all census tables published from 1991 to 2011 census report. Just to click on, I will show you. So these are the maps, tables, and audios. You can even get the statistics in Excel format. So that is another advantage of this Census of India. So by using these statistical tables, you can write articles as per the census of 2011. This is the statistics of demographic or gender, or it may be education, or it may be May I audible?
Yes, sir.
Sorry for the inconvenience. The screen is visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So as I said, we can download a number of reports of 2011 census of Indian census reports, or even previous reports also we can download in this website. So this is a census of Indian website. So as I said, n number of reports are available. You can download some statistical reports also in this Excel format. Just to click on it. So location particulars, I'll see what is there in this file. So like this, we can download both reports, even statistical reports, and even audio video reports also. Click on this enables. You can see the number of sheets also. The name of town, state, district, some other like populations in the particular district and everything. This is the state, district name, and everything is available. So sheet 2, sheet, okay, nothing is there. In sheet 1 only, the information is available, state-wise, district-wise, and location-wise, the population. You can see the population in Bangalore, Bangalore rural, Bangalore urban, like that. So again, I will go back. List of urban agglomerations, like this. You can, if you click on view all, you can see all the reports in that particular. Just go through 2000. See, it is available from 1991. So we can see 3 census reports in this website: 1991, 2001, and 2011. So view statistics, tables on households, amenities, and assets. So you can see the primary census abstract, general population tables. So like this, we can find the n number of reports of 2011 census of India. So now I showed how to get reports from Indian census website. And again, there are so many databases which provides reports. Just go to Google, just type India stats. India stats. So indiastat.com is again one of the good database. We can have n number of reports about Indian agriculture, Indian industries, and Indian socioeconomic status of different of the people, the like that. So banks and finance, the number of banks and their assets and liabilities, companies, banks and financial institutions, administrative units. So you can find n number of reports in this India Stats website. So here one interesting is that here you can see that the right side of your this homepage, India and world. This is the population at present as on February 1st, 2021. You can see the population in India. So every second is getting updating. See, at present in India, total population is 100 crore 37 crore 95. So this is the Indian population. World population also we can see. So and every second is getting updating. As on today, this is the population of India and world. 130 crore in India, and in the world it is 700 crore. So this is India stat, and so you can see, you can download a number of reports by click on economy related. All reports will be available. If you click on demographics, education, click on education. So data about the education infrastructure, enrollments, boards, schemes in schools, colleges, literacy, click on more. So you can click on particular area of education also. So you can results. You click on examination or result, it will show. You can get the report. See, like this. Education development index, expenditure on education. If you want to know in every year how much in budget, total budget, the amount is spending for education development, so you can click on expenditure on education. It will give all the information. So you like this n number of reports related to your subject or whatever it may be, we can download from the India Stat database along with the Indian census reports. So expenditure on higher education, expenditure on general education, expenditure on education by source. So like this, you can get the reports. So this is about India Stat website. So where you can get the reports. So Enlist is for ebooks and e-journals, Enlist. And Shodhganga is a repository of thesis at national level, at international level, NDLTD is there. And for Google Scholar is again journals and books, and also you can have a number of citations, H index and I-10 index, and reports for India's census and India Stat, like that. And one more, the good database for e-resources, Indian National Library, Indian National Digital Library. This is also the vast database. We can have different kind of sources like journals, ebooks, and journals, the reports, thesis, and all those things. National Digital Library of India. This is also open access. Anybody can access this database, see scholarly publications, data sets, documents and videos, journals and conferences, ideas and funding, challenges and startup, law and management, literature, humanities, science. This is the school. So just to go to click on scholarly publications or videos, you will find the n number of resources in this database. So again, it is open access. Anybody can access it. You don't need to pay for accessing this database. This is again good database for teaching, learning, and research activities. You will find the the content, e-content, digital information for your subjects. So just all of you go through these kind of databases and find out the source and for a requirement of your subjects and download it and keep somewhere in your laptop or desktop. Whenever you want, you can use it. It's all good databases for e-resources, and we have gone through that. Many databases are open access except the EndList. But for EndList also already your college got user IDs and passwords, so through that user date password you can enter into the ebooks and e-journals in that database. Apart from that, Shodhganga is open access. Then Google Scholar is open access. Then National Digital Library is open access. Then Indian Census is open access. EPG Pathshala is open access. So no need to pay for that. Just you can go to the Google and type the keywords and you will enter into the database. So then there are so many databases are available for e-resources like e-journals, e-books, and e-reports. So with the time limit, just I will show you some other Moocs. So nowadays this is getting a lot of importance at national and international level. The Moocs is nothing but massive open online courses. So anybody can register the courses available in the Moocs platforms. International level, there are many platforms. Even all the faculties can register courses at international level, sitting in Bangalore and pursuing course in USA or in UK or in Australia. Through this Moocs course is possible with the nominal fee. So no need to pay lakhs together to pursue any course in the Moocs platform. Just go to Moocs and find the platforms available in Moocs like Coursera, Vijaycity, Khan Academy. There are many coordinators in Moocs, including Swayam. In India, Swayam platform is available. International level, Coursera is there, Vijaycity is there, Khan Academy is there. Just go to that coordinator, course coordinator, and as per your subject interest, if your economics, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, whatever it may be, or if you want to, if you're interested in some other subject also, you can just register in that course, go through that course materials, and just appear the exam. You get the certificate, just sitting in a different place, because the Moocs is connected worldwide. Because it is well connected with remote access. So yeah, so that kind of Moocs is getting popularity in 21st century. That's what even UGC is also giving a lot of importance for Moocs. If you go to your NAC accreditation, there is a question that like how many faculties have contributed to the Moocs, like how many contents you have developed. So you can run any course in the Moocs platform. So in our department of collegiate education, I've given a lot of importance to these Moocs courses also. In last year, we have identified 40. Last year, the Department of Collegiate Education has identified 43 colleges to establish Moocs centers. So your Vijayanagar College is also one of the Moocs center under our Department of Collegiate Education. So even faculties nowadays, they can do short-term courses, refresher courses, and even orientation programs through this Moocs platform. So because this Swayam online courses are approved by MHRD, so instead of going to some other HRDC, Human Resource Development Center, so formerly it was known as academic staff colleges. Nowadays, we can do this short-term courses, refresher courses, and even orientation program in this Swayam platform. This all approved by MHRD. So as per your CAS career advancement scheme and for your API and even for NAC accreditation, so we can have n number of certificates in these platforms. So at the same time, you can also host the course, because also still in our department, many faculties in many colleges, they are hosting the courses in Moocs Swayam platform. So one of the institution like Mysore Commerce and Management College, at Government First Aid College, faculty named Manjunath in the Manju, the Department of Commerce, that person has hosted 2 courses in Swayam platform. So it's a good remuneration also while hosting that course. See, in Moocs, it's Swayam platform, because Swayam is a part of the Mooc, the Indian platform hosting courses in online. I will show you. So I am. So you can have this Swayam app in your mobile also. This is the home page of Swayam platform. So you can host the course. See, nowadays LMS is there in our department, and even Jnananidhi is there. So there are so far more than 8,000 video clippings are enabled in the Jnananidhi platform, Vijay Bhava, so-called Vijay Bhava. So the content is stored in Jnananidhi. So same the courses you can host in the Swayam platform also. There is EMRC, Multimedia Education Resource Center. It is located at Mysore. So you can host any course in Swayam platform through EMRC. The course duration 4 weeks to 24 weeks. You can host any course, the duration of 4 weeks or 6 weeks or 8 weeks, 24 weeks, or you can do together also. For each course, there is a coordinator, there is a sessions coordinators like that. See, one of the faculty is hosting 30 sessions. For each session, he is getting 5,000 rupees. And for overall coordinating, he is getting 90,000 rupees. For running one course in Swayam platform, he is earning around 3 to 4 lakh. So that is the advantages of this Swayam platform. So any faculty in higher education, including government first aid colleges, can host the course in this Swayam platform. And you can see each and every course, there are n number of students are getting enrollment and getting even certificate also through passing that courses. So this is the Swayam platform. You can see the national coordinators. There are 9 national coordinators in Swayam platform. UGC is also one of the coordinator. You can see here the number of courses are running at present. Just to click on all courses in Swayam platform. So any faculty can host the course in Swayam platform, or any faculty can register the course in the Swayam platform. So as I said, all refresher course, and see this one, the filters, we can filter the courses based on national coordinators. If you want to do a course in UGC, you can click on UGC or NCRT or AICTS or IGNO, whatever it may be. So no need to that I am the part of UGC, I have to do course in UGC. It's not like that. So you can take any course from any national coordinator. So it has credits. And the course duration, as I said, it is available from 4 weeks to 24 weeks. This all, it gives weightage to your profile, and it also gives weightage to your promotion, like APA or your CAS, Career Advancement Scheme, because UGC also promoting these courses because all these courses are approved by MHRD. So you can see the number of courses are at present. So Indian Agriculture Development, the cooperatives and farmers organizations, these are all short-term courses, 15 weeks, 12 weeks. You can see that when this exam date also and enrollment ends 31st Jan, and this one starts February 2nd. You can search, say, research methodology and statistics. This 16 weeks program starts February 15th, and national coordinator of this course is Indira Gandhi National Open University, that means IGNO. So you can see n number of courses in this Swayam platform. You can enroll into any course, and every week there is assignments. And see, if you're very busy, even whole week's classes we can listen any one of the day. So it's not mandatory that every day you have to go through the classes, but there is an assignment in every week. If 4 weeks means there will be 4 assignments. If 6 weeks means there are 4 assignments, 6 assignments, like that. So after completing assignments, after attending classes, then you are eligible to take the exam. So just enroll to the exam, and there is an offline exam, and there in Bangalore there is a examination center. So you can just attend the examination and you will get the certificate. So, and then fees is very nominal, just 500 rupees. You can pay that and you get enter into the exam and you can get the certificate. But so also think about the hosting the courses in Swayam platform. So anybody can host the course in this Swayam platform. Click on particular, say advanced computer architecture, click on particular course. There is a promo of this course, and you can also see the content of this. See, learners enrolled, 4,735 candidates already enrolled in advanced computer architecture. It is hosting by IIT Guwahati. The course layout is there. Week 1, the content, week 2, content, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. And books reference. And this is the instructor who is going to the, see, Professor John Jose. He is hosting the course on advanced computer architecture. This is the profile of that particular coordinator author. like this. If you click on promo of this video, you can see the and you can see the advantages of this course, Advanced Computer Architecture.
Welcome all of you to the Untitled Moocs course on Advanced Computer Architecture. All the basic core courses that computer science, electronics, as well as IT.
So like this, you can see the promo of that particular course. Like that, there are n number of courses are available in Moocs platforms. Even students and faculties can get into enrollment, and you can host the course. As I said, you can see the promo of that course and structure of that course and duration of that course, all those things. You can host any course. If you say that if say one or two faculties are hosting course in Moocs platform, means he can earn minimum 3 to 4 lakh. So the way if once you host the course, that same course can be run more than 3-4 times. It's not restricted like you once you hosted the course means that is, if you're hosting course in 2021 means if number of candidates getting more enrollment means again that Swayam platform will give the opportunity that you can host the same course in 2022 also. But again, 2022, you don't need to again record the classes because already you recorded the class in 2021. But based on the demand for that course, again, you can host the same course in 2022. So like that. So this is the opportunity. So we have to get into this opportunity and do and develop some of the modules or some of the courses in Swayam platform. But in NAC accreditation and your API score, there is a that. So like how many e-content you have developed or you have any hosted courses in Swayam platform, the like that. So it's giving a lot of importance nowadays for these Moocs courses. And in each and every university, there is a MOOC coordinators and they are taking place of these things. And many faculties are involving in developing e-content and hosting in different platforms like in Swayam platform. So this is one of the good platform to host online courses, and same way you can do the courses in international platforms also. As I said, this is the Indian platform. So in international, there are Coursera. There are so many platforms are available. City, Khan Academy. So all like basic things are some advanced skill-oriented courses in your subjects. You can get into enrollment and you can pursue it. So this is the advantage of Moocs platform. And so now I will explain you about okay, I think we have gone through the e-journals, ebooks like Enlist, then EPG Pathashala, Shodhganga, National Digital Library, NDLTD, then Google Scholar, then Google Books, then we have gone through the Swayam platforms, Moocs platforms, online courses. So now I think it is time to end the session. Just
Thank you so much, sir, for your resourceful words.
Just a minute, ma'am. Just a minute. So now I will just show you the PPT slides one by one, whether I have covered all or not. Just I will check, make sure that this PPT is visible, no?
Sir.
Okay. So we have covered Enlist and I showed how to log into the Enlist also by using user ID and password. And this is a DOS, Directory of Open Access Journals. Again, it is open access. Just go to Google, just type DOS, Directory of Open Access Journals. You will find n number of journals. 9,000 journals are available in this database. Again, it is open access. Then we have covered Google Scholar. Then SciHub. So as I said that, so many international level or national level articles have got DOI, Digital Object Identifier. Through that Digital Object Identifier in SciHub, you can download the articles without even paying single rupee. Then ebooks we have covered. Again, there is a DOB, Directory of Open Access Books. This is also open access. Just to go to Google, just type for Directory of Open Access Books. You will find n number of books in your subjects. Google Books we have covered. And e-thesis and dissertations, as I said, we have gone through the Shodh Ganga. So nearly 3 lakh theses are available and at national level. And international level, the Network Digital Library of Thesis and Dissertation, that is NDLTD, is available. Then Shodh Ganga, we have seen that number of theses. EPG Pathashala, the database for UG and PG students, because we can have seen the multi-dimensional data, even all clippings are available in all the modules. There are 77 subjects are available at post-graduation level in EPG Pathashala. Again, it's open access. Whatever today I showed, most of them are all open access except Enlist. Because for Enlist also you got user and password in your college. And for reports, so we have gone through the Census of India, India Stats. There you can download a number of reports, India Stats, e-reports, and citation databases. Again, Google Scholar, as I said, it's an Indian a citation database. So you can see the number of articles we have published and your number of citations, H-index, citation index, all those things. And Vidwan, this is again a database by InfluNet. So you can register in Vidwan. So you can, this is again a database, this one scholarly content database. So you can see number of your articles and citations, all those things. And eGnan Kosh, this is a National Digital Repository of IGNOU University. They have good materials in their website. Just go to Gnan Kosh and type your keywords in your subject. So you will get a number of clippings in the content of your subjects. And online courses, we discussed about Swayam platform, Moocs, and all those things, and how to host the course in Swayam platform, and how to register, and duration of the courses, and the promo of the course, and structure of the courses, all we discussed. And now I think we have reached the end of the session. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much for your wonderful presentation. During this Google Scholar things, you are told that the citations and H-index. So can you please tell me once again how to calculate the H-index of the institution?
See, in your college, there are 30 faculties. And out of 30 faculties, may not be registered with Google Scholar. Might be 10 to 15 students got registered in Google Scholar. So now you have to identify individuals H-index and divided by total number of faculties. Then you will get the institutional H-index. Say
total number of citations.
Total number of H-index. See, faculty 1 got 2 H-index, faculty 2 got 3, faculty 3 got 1, faculty 4 not registered in Google Scholar, faculty 5 got 6, so like that.
Okay. And whether the same H-index will be applicable for like Scala, Scopus and Web of Science also?
Exactly. So there, while you are quoting the information in your NAC accreditation, you can mention the reference. In Google Scholar, your institutional H-index is this much. In Web of Science, your institutional H-index is this much. In Scopus, H-index of your institution is this much. You can mention in that way. Even writing your profile also, your profiles or your curriculum weight or your biodata, so you can mention that my H-index in Google Scholar is this much, my H-index in Web of Science is this much, or my H-index in Scopus is this much. So we have to mention clearly whether it is from Google Scholar or Scopus or Web of Science.
Okay, thank you. And one more question, you also told that Sci-Hub. So
Yeah.
Sci-Hub is not a authenticated source. How can we
no, since it is, sir, since it is available as open access, nobody will question you, sir. Nobody will
correct, sir, I agree with you,
case
but it is
against
not,
you.
even now also still is in the Supreme Court cases going on, discussions going
See,
on across the country.
So when you are downloading the article, you will store in the in your laptop or desktop. So how will know that you have downloaded the article from Sci-Hub? Because
Individual level, okay, not from the institution level.
Yeah, not from, because individual level, okay, yeah, because institutional level, you are not going to tell these things that because you're not going to post anywhere. This one, like Sci-Hub, like when you are mentioning enlist, no, Sci-Hub, you can share the things, they can download, because for my research, maximum the advantage I got from Sci-Hub only. Whatever articles I needed for my research, I couldn't get in open access. Through Sci-Hub, I got it easily. But nobody questioned on me, because since it is available as an open access, anybody can use it. Nobody will question on you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
So, thank you so much for this valuable information. So, my question is related to Sci-Hub only. So, I downloaded one article. So, when I quote it in my reference section, so won't there be any problem like the other person like saying that it wasn't any open access? So, like.
Madam, when you are quoting in your article, it may be citation, or it may be in-text citation, or it may be reference, or it may be bibliography. We're not going to mention Sci-Hub at all. We're going to mention only that article title, author, journal name, volume number, issue number. That's all. We're not going to put the where you have downloaded. All those things is not going to put, ma'am. So
Yeah,
not
fine, sir.
mentioning Sci-Hub at all. Not mentioning at all.
Okay.
Only bibliographical information will be only this much. Author,
Yes.
author of the article, title of the article, volume number, issue number, and name of the journal. And
No, sir. Actually, like open access, like entire thing will be visible. So, but
No.
if I know like image or something, if I want to, like I won't be, but still, if I want to, then we won't be asking like without.
Any articles or any reports or any anywhere you are writing something, as it's not as per that where you are downloading the article. Only you are entering the bibliographical information of that article. That's all.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Any questions? Any questions?
Any queries? Thank you so much, sir, for your resourceful word. Now I request our Honorable Principal, Dr. Chandrasekhar, Government First Grade College, Vijayanagar, to address the gathering.
Good afternoon, and congratulations, sir, Professor Nagesh.
Thank you, sir.
The presentation was so excellent.
Thank you so much,
You
sir.
narrated everything in a befitting manner, and you made us understand what library science all about. And it is great to hear from you that you belongs to our own department, and now you are a nodal officer heading this MOOC in DCE. It is very fortunate the DCE to have a resource person like you, where your knowledge can be made use by other teachers and all other colleges in Karnataka as such. And your presentation on Enlist, MOOC, e-Patashala, Shodha Ganga, Google Scholar, Google Book, Sci-Hub, e-reports, consortia, census reports, and so on and so forth was excellent, and where all library science teachers benefited a lot. Even the researchers, it helps them to a greater extent. So they could able to identify the resources where they can collect material and information to carry out their researches is very, very useful. And I hope we look forward same cooperation in future too to our college. And if possible, if you please make yourself free, once we would like to have an offline session in our own college. And I am extremely happy, and all teachers and participants benefited a lot from your presentation. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
On behalf of the Institute Government for State College, Vijayanagar, and all my colleagues, I'm extremely thankful to you. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for giving a great opportunity to.
And also, I extend my thanks to all participants who have shown keen interest in attending this webinar. Thank you very much. Over to the organizer. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Nazia Hassan, HOD and Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, to propose the vote of thanks.
Good afternoon, all. It's my proud privilege to present vote of thanks today. I thank to the resource person, Mr. Nagesh R, for his in-depth talk, which was well organized and effectively delivered. Thank you, sir, for enlightening us the concepts of e-resource, Moocs, and research tools. Thank you. I thank to my colleagues of Library and Information Center, Shambhugode sir, Chetan Kumar sir, Parimala madam, for their support, encouragement, and enthusiasm response right from the beginning of this unique joint venture. Thank you. I thank our principal, Dr. Chandrasekhar sir, for his enthusiasm all the ventures of our college. His enthusiasm, his impetuous, and results in such wonderful programs. Thank you, sir, for motivating all of us. I thank our IQSC coordinator, Dr. Shubha Madam, for initiating and supporting all our program. Thank you, Madam. I thank all my colleagues, non-teaching staff, and students for their supportive and effective participation in this program. Thank you. I thank my deep sense to the appreciation and thank to all the participants who chose to be alive with us and attending the webinar with a great zeal and made this program a great event. Last but not least, I thank all my team of the computer science department and technical person to support you and effective participation to make this program most successful. Thank you. Once again, I thank you all for being with us for this afternoon. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you all.
Thank you very much, one and all present here, for devoting your precious time and be a part of this webinar. Have a great day.
Pradeep. Okay.
Sorry.
ಎರಡೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಒಂದು ಔಟ್ಪುಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ಎರಡೇ ಬ್ಯಾಚ್.
I request everyone to give the feedback. Feedback link will be shared in the chat box. Thank you.
ಕಾಪಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಮೇಲ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು.